Hi. Yeah, what are you doing? Nothing much, is the same here. Yeah. But there's a birthday party today at 4:30. 4:30, yeah. So I should be there in half an hour, right? I have to leave half an hour early. Alright then. So it's 3:30 now, so I'll leave in, and I need to be there at 4 o'clock, so I'll leave in 25 minutes, 20 minutes, yeah? 25 minutes, yeah? Alright then, so I'll get ready now. Well, basically I'm ready, but yeah, anyway. Alright then, see ya. See you in half an hour, see you in 25 minutes. Alright then, see ya. Yeah. Alright, now what should I get? What should I get? Anything here? Oh, Frankel. Oh. Home number. Hello? Who's this? What? Where are you? Where are you? Oh my god. I can kind of see you. Yes. You're behind the bed. Wait, you're behind my bed. Okay. No.